Now, I don't be out here recording no goddamn makeup videos, but I want to see if I can recreate my friend's Valentine's Day look. So I got her over here in the corner. We using a box of 64 by Super. Let's get into it, okay? And we're gonna start with Acadia. She said use a fluffy brush. Use a fluffy brush and get up under the brows.
And then the next shade we're going.
She moved too fast. We just laid down a little slapper of damn eyeshadow. Just a disclaimer, I am nobody's makeup guru, but I'm following my friend's tutorial. You're gonna take Arcadia, whatever, and put it up under your brows, you know, to give you a little transition color or whatever. See my face? But we gonna buff that on out, buff it out. Use a fluffy brush. I think we buffed in, okay. Next up, we're going to grab St. James, and you're going to focus that on your, like right above your crease, on your crease, something like that, right above it. I don't know. Go watch her video. She could give you a detailed instructions. Okay, this is me learning. I'm just following along. All right, so you're gonna make sure you get a good amount. Apply that in or whatever. I forgot to say I did my eyebrows and stuff off camera. But yeah, blend that on in there. Fluffy brush helps blend it. I'm gonna tap back in Acadia because I think she got lost up there. All right, so boom. Arcadia ended up getting a little lost up there, so I went back in that and, you know, I added her back so she could add a little pop, a little transition. And I end up buffing her and St. James into each other. You know, give me a nice little transition, nice little smooth look. Next up, we're going to go into East Valenciana. I think that's how you say that. You're going to focus her on your corners, but right in your crease, if that makes sense. Yeah, just watch the video. Like I said, if you need further details, at Shawna Dena on YouTube and Instagram. Check her out. Be sure to hit your little swipe, buff, buff, buff. You want to make sure that she blended in good and nice, okay? And I also continue to go back with my other brushes to make sure everything is blended in. Next up, you're going to grab your P. Louise base or whatever base. I am using number 4, I believe. I'm using a small brush from Morphe. Okay, so I have a hooded eyelid, I think. So when I apply my cut crease, I always lay down some of the product and then I look up to give me the direction that I need to lay my base down, if that makes sense. If it don't, watch the video. It's 50,000 million videos out here that will show you exactly what to do. This one came out better than all my other cut creases I've ever done. So yeah, I was feeling myself, but I only had one good eye. That damn other eye, she wasn't cooperating, okay? Now we're going to go back into St. James and we're going to tap her on the outer corner of the cut crease. And I'm making sure that I get a good amount. You know, dab, 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 swipe, 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 buff, 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 all that. Yeah, do that. Now we're gonna grab Ucha something, okay? Grab her and put her in the middle of your lid on your cut crease area. You're gonna make sure that you buff and blend that in to St. James, which is what you put on your outer corner. So yeah. Now we're gonna get Miss Evangeline, okay? Because we get to the end. That is a light pink. You're going to put her in your inner corner, making sure that you blend her into the Uchi girl. Okay, you blend her into her, and now your look is coming together. We looking real cute out here. I'm loving this pink. Next up, you're going to get Catahula. Listen, I can't pronounce these names, but you're going to put her in the tiny inner corner of your eye. I can't think of what you call that, but you see what I'm doing. You put her there. Then you're going to go back with St. James to redefine your crease, and you'll see the difference in my eyes. You know, just go around your cut crease, and it helps, you know, make it a little pop. She cute. I was feeling myself, okay? Then we go into Avioles, and we go dab her into the little small corner to give her extra little pop, because the rest of the eye is matte. We just gonna give her a little pop. I went ahead and did my makeup off camera. So then you grab St. James, and I'm just rubbing a little bit on my waterline just to bring the pink down just a little bit. You can't really see it, but that's what I did. Now we're gonna, you know, get a little Crayon Case, do a little lippy. I mixed Crayon Case with some cheap nude lipstick, and then I wanted it a little lighter, so I added in Too Faced Butterscotch Concealer, and baby, it's a look. Come through, so okay. We pop in for Valentine's Day. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. All products used is in the description box below. See you in my next video.